Things are not looking good for Terra. That's what I gotta tell you. Things are actually looking like it might be the end for Terra coming up right now. And the reason for that were a few issues, a few drama, a little bit of a drama sold on Twitter. But not only that, I told you about Terra pretty much here on the confirmation above the 5-minute time frame on the EMA crossover, the 5 and 21 EMA, and above the 200 EMA right here. And you might have catched a 20-30% pump after that, but in my opinion, now it might be the beginning of the end for Terra, if not just the end from here. I'll tell you a few reasons to do that, why I believe this is the end for Terra. So make sure you watch the video all the way until the end if you hold any. I'm here to speak the truth. I can be on YouTube, if you just Google Terra right now, just spreading positivity all the way to the ground, all the way while the project sings. But my job is to keep you updated on the facts, on the truth, not about FUD, not about lies. It's actually about saying what is correct, what you can observe on the blockchain, what you can observe on Twitter, things that are factual. So I'd rather be talking about facts rather than anything else. If you appreciate that, slap the like button, subscribe. I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers. Coinbase leaps 6%. And potential takeover. Okay, that's interesting. Stocks news. The market opened an hour ago. So yeah, keep in mind that there is no financial advice. If you want to buy Terra, the best place to buy that is on MEXC. I'm sponsored by them. There's a link for them in the description below. And there's a chance you can get free Tesla from MEXC. So in general, let's start with the good stuff. They're getting listed on a bunch of exchanges. BKEX, which is good. Also, there were a few others. For example, right now, stay tuned for more exciting news, more listings, Global CEX, the Quad Burn, Singapore Expo. All of these are good things. But marketing aside and Telegram positivity community aside, right? The community is really strong. Terra community is good. All that aside, what's the utility? What did they actually do? Besides reaching 10,000 holders, like actual utility, do they have an actual product out there or just marketing? Because so far, look what's happening right now. Everyone's talking about the fake news regarding Binance. When we open up Twitter right here, it says, hello, Milton. Let me just zoom in. Or I'll just hide my video capture just like this. Okay, check this out. Hello, Milton. We are glad to inform you that your security deposit of $180,000 was successfully received into our wallet. You now completed your listing process and all activities in regards to your token listing. First, this, you have one text size. This is the second text size, not looking good. Then you have announced across. This is not how you spell announced. This is bad. I'll actually retweet that. Fake Terareum listing email. Video coming up soon. And this really, I do not know who spread this email, but it's not looking good. I saw another one of these as well. So they basically promised that on the 22nd of March. Nothing happened. See, when does Binance have spelling errors? Here it is announced, right? Let me just pull my camera real quick again. This is not looking good. And everyone's just Terareum trick exchanges. All of this is fake news. People just hyping the token up. And that's not cool. It's not cool just, manipulating your audience. Here's the issue. Mutant said Binance breached their contract by not announcing Terra, so they had to post him. What? They did not. Where do you see an actual breach of contract? This is an... Does Binance have $1 an hour employees or something? How can they have different font sizes, different letter sizes, different spelling errors? It does not work like that. Shipped already. Time for the doctor to take profit again. Yeah. Terareum exchange listings. MEXC. Yeah, they have MEXC. I'm sponsored by them. But yeah, I'm not happy with that. And I've seen a few other tweets as well. People were really upset. Terra scam is not sellable. Looks like you don't know what you're doing. Yeah, it's sellable. Come on. That is fun. Terra gets listed. There's more exchanges. And also something that you should know if you're new to crypto, getting listed on exchanges does not help you long term in your growth. Let me explain why. People buy the rumors, tell the news. When you have the announcement of new exchanges, new people that have no idea what they're doing are buying in, getting the price up. So if you have a lot of tokens, you gotta sell without dropping the price too much. This is the time you sell at. So this is exit liquidity for whales. This has happened for so many tokens. I've been a big holder of tokens as well. I'm looking for exchange listings to get out. If you don't want to believe me, it's okay. You can just go on YouTube, type in a random YouTuber, and have fun with him. But that's not looking good. Official Terareum LC does not have a Discord channel. This fake and scam, so yeah. This email is not looking good for them. And I've seen some people really unhappy with this fake email. I'm staying away from another drama coin. Fake Binance listing did that for me. Yep, same for me. Same for me. First, they scam with Binance listing to pump the price. Second, they dump millions of dollars in community. Wake up, people. The blockchain doesn't lie. There I am booming Binance listing. No, it's not. After you said you sued Binance because they canceled and supposed agreement you faked. What? Hello, thank you for reaching out. This email address does not belong to Binance US. What? What? That's super interesting. Sorry. That's super interesting. Oh my, this is a game changer. It basically proves that everything is not market manipulation. Look at that. That's not good. Someone was threatening to report him to the SEC. Yeah, people are just not happy with it. And here's the price of Terra. Now we want to get a little bit into the technical analysis aspect. So here we have a few key moments in the chart. The blue line right here is the 200 EMA. Normally, when you go below it, you're in a downtrend. We got below it on the 23rd. We started pumping, especially on the 5-minute time frame. You could see we were pumping right here. But what happened was we had a huge rejection right at the 200 EMA, always a bad sign. And when we have the 5 EMA, this smaller line cross the 21 EMA, now you have a very strong downtrend. And what I think will happen in the next few days is we're probably going to touch 3,600, the 3,600 area. And if this doesn't hold, we're going here. We're going to the 2,300 area, which I do believe to be very possible. If there was an easy way to short Terra, I would right now. If there is, let me know. I'm very interested in shorting this token. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting. That's what I think. Let me know your thoughts about Terra in the comment section down below. See you next video. Bye.